Welcome to ATS ELECTRO LUBER. In this video, we will demonstrate the proper use and assembly of the original gas unit. Today, we are using the mini luber. However, the instructions apply to all gas lubers. First, remove the weather cap. Now, remove the protective covering counterclockwise. Now we are going to demonstrate how to use the dip switch panel. Use a small screwdriver to switch the correct dip switch to your operation needs. This switch turns on the product. These switches are your choices for your specific lubrication needs. Within 2 weeks to 12 months, the product will dispense all of its lubrication. The B switch allows the lubrication to dispense 5% faster. If this light flashes red once every 20 seconds, this unit is fully operational. Screw back the protective cover clockwise and place the weather cap over the protective cover. Once the luber is empty, remove the luber and replace it with the exact same unit and grease. Dispose of the unit according to the laws in your country.